I actually introduced this airdrop yesterday or day before yesterday. I introduced this particular airdrop, and there have been a lot of questions regarding this particular project, as it is very promising, and a lot of people are joining real time. And on this particular video, I'm going to be trying my possible best to answer most of the questions that I've been getting on my DM. All right, so if you check over here right now, you can see that this project was actually is coming directly from from Dogs community. If you can remember clearly, Dogs airdrop is one of those airdrop that paid massively to Telegram people. So it's one of those airdrop that are dragged the attention of many people to Telegram, and they actually give out this particular airdrop because of Christmas. It is actually a Christmas campaign. If you look closely, you can see that this is those community right here. It is very verified, so we are interacting with the right project. All right, so and a total of $400,000 is going to be shared for this particular airdrop campaign. So we are going to be talking a lot about this project, and I'm going to be telling you guys the truth that you guys need to hear, so that you can participate on this airdrop successfully, and you will know what to actually expect. All right, so coming back right here to the main page, this is where you actually farm the airdrop. Okay, so this is where you get to do some certain thing in order for you to earn a portion of that airdrop. All right, so before we go ahead and talk about the whole thing in full, please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please consider clicking on the subscription button down below the video you're watching right now, so that whenever I post new video, you get to know about it immediately. All right, so right now, the first thing that I need you guys to know right now is when this airdrop is going to end. All right, so I didn't say this on the previous video. I'm going to be saying this right now. So when you click over here, guys, on this red button right here, okay, when you click on it, you can see that this airdrop is actually going to be ending in the next 14 days. All right, so it's ending in the next 14 days. This should be around the 30th of December, or probably 31st of December. All right, and when you look over here right now, you can see that there are levels to this airdrop. Like the more you play the game, the more you get to level up. Currently I'm on level 86, and you can see the highest level right here is level 100. Right, so let's come back right now to the game, and to be able to play this game is very simple. Okay, it is very simple, and I believe you know how to play this game. You literally have to just arrange all this, like match the ones that are the same. For example, if I match this one, you will see it return to another thing, then I'm gonna have to match it again with this one. Then that is how you keep on doing it. And like I said, guys, I'm going to be answering a lot of questions on this particular video. Okay, I just got to level 87 right now. Okay, and right now this is my reward for it. Okay, now I'm going to be answering some questions right here. For me to be able to answer that question, I need to click over here on this red line. Okay, then you can see I'm gonna have to click over here that we have how to win. Okay, so this is going to be taking us to the FAQ, and as you all know, FAQ stand for frequently asked questions. All right, so and we are going to be answering the important questions right now, and you can see there are lots of questions right now, but because of time, we are not going to be answering all of them. We are only going to be answering the important ones. Okay, now what is this game? We are not answering that. How to play? We are not answering that. How does gift merging works? We are not answering that. What is energy? We are not answering that. What do levels give? All right, this is important question. Now I will have to open it right now, and you can see right here it says that each level is a step towards new record you receive. Okay, now it's actually made up of in-game reward, which is energy, gifts on the board, increase energy limits, access to prize draw. So this is basically the reason why you need to level up, because when you level up, you get in-game reward. For example, energy gift, energy limit will get increased, and this also give you access to prize draw. All right, so leveling up is very important. Now the next question is, how will the prize be how will the prize drawn work? So let's check it out right now. Now we are going to read it out together right now. It says all prize draw you can join are displayed on the draw section. Now they said again, you can find it by tapping 35 million giveaway at the top of the main screen. Each draw unlocks based on your progress. The higher your level, the more valuable the reward. Okay, now after the game ends, we will summarize the result and randomly determine winners among all players who met the requirements. Winners will receive an in-game notification and will be able to claim their prize pool. So right now, what this is trying to say is that when the game ends, they are going to be choosing at random. They are going to be choosing their winners at random, meaning that not everyone who participates on this particular airdrop are going to be receiving anything at all from it. So if you are lucky enough, you are going to be receiving something, but on the other hand, there are chances that you are not going to be among the people that are going to be receiving reward on this airdrop, no matter the level you are on. So if you are participating on this particular airdrop, you should take note that there are chances that you won't be among the winners. All right, and they also said again that when the winners are chosen, then the winners are going to receive notification on their inbox through the game, and that notification is going to help them is going to direct them to how they are going to be able to claim their reward. Okay, now what again do we need to answer right here? What are gift boxes? We are not answering that. What currency can you use to buy gift boxes? All right, so this is a simple one. If you want to be buying gift boxes, you can use Stone Coin or Star. Now there's another question right here which says, can I return a purchased item? Let's check it out right now. They said no, return are not possible. So meaning that on the game, if you happen to purchase any item within the game, there is no way you can return it. You cannot return it again. Now the next question is how do I invite friends and what do I get for it? Now we are not answering that. Why don't I see the reward for a task? Now let's check it out right now. Now they say that if in case you are not seeing your reward for any task that you have completed, you have to check whether the requirements are fully completed. Okay, now they say that sometimes the reward are added with a slight delay. Refresh the page, meaning that if you are supposed to get a reward and the reward doesn't land on your own page, then you should try refreshing the page. Okay, now they say that some tasks have a verification delay up to 24 hours. So meaning that after you complete some certain tasks within the app, then some of them may take up to 24 hours before you claim whatever reward that is coming for you. And they say that if none of these help, you should contact the support, and they give the handle for their support right here. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, now let's check out the next question is when are the result? Let's check it out. So you can see right now the game is going to run until 28th of December, and the final prize drawn is going to be on the 30th of December, and you can see prize distribution is going to be from 31st of December to January 19th. All right, so you need to take note of all these dates right now so that you don't you don't find it confusing later. All right, now they said exact dates will be published in the game and on the official channel. Okay, now let's check out the next question right now is, can I receive the gift I made on the board? No, the gifts on the board are in-game items meant for gaining experience and progressing through the levels, but the more gifts you create and merge, the higher your level and the better your chance of receiving rare prizes. Okay, now let's check out the next one. My entire board is full and I have no matching gift. What should I do? Okay, in case you find yourself in a situation whereby all your board are filled up and there's nothing for you to match right there, then they went ahead to say that you can either unlock additional slots to create more space or delete a gift from the board. So you can basically delete a gift if there's nothing you can match with it. And of course, right, you can see, just tap on the gift on the board, then tap on the button to exchange it for a specific amount of energy, meaning that if there's anything on your own board that you don't want, you can actually a kind of exchange it back to energy that you can use to play other game. Now they said again right now, where do I write if something doesn't work? Of course, you can write to the support. And the last question right now is, can I play the game from multiple accounts? Of course, no. Let's check it out. They say right now, the organizers has the right to terminate the participation of any user who violates the rules, use cheat codes, bot, or any other method of artificially improving their result while completing task present in the platform. So basically, if you do anything, for example, right now you try to use a multiple account, or if you try to cheat in any way, or use bots to farm it, or wherever means that you want to manipulate the game, they say that they have the right to actually terminate your participation. So you should, deviate from doing anything very very illegal, like trying to illegally gain more energy or level. All right, so keep your hands clean and make sure you stick to one account. So basically, this is all you need to know right now regarding this game and any question that you may have. And for example, right now when I come over here to friends, you can see right now that you need to achieve at least level 15. Okay, level 15 is very important. So if you are playing this game, make sure you achieve at least level 15. So this is going to be helping you get reward for that. So you can see for each friend who reaches level 15 and claim the reward, you get to get reward. So level 15 is mandatory that you gain it, you reach there. So you can see right now, these are my referral people joining this game real time. So if you haven't joined yet, make sure that you have joined. And for those people right here who have joined but have done nothing, they are the type of people who usually don't, they will end up saying that Airdrop doesn't pay, while they are the one who are not putting effort. So if you are joining this Airdrop, make sure you put enough effort, achieve at least level 15 in order for you to position very well for this particular Airdrop. So this is going to be very massive, I guess. And remember, only $400,000 is going to be shared among the randomly chosen participants. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. More updates are going to be dropped concerning this project and some other project out there. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next update that's going to be dropping very, very soon.